In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce Binance Futures fees. If you're actively trading on Binance Futures, you know that fees can accumulate quickly and cut into your profits. Fortunately, there are straightforward strategies you can employ to minimize these costs. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, understanding how to manage and reduce fees is crucial to maximizing your returns. Let's dive in and explore these methods in detail. First, let's look at using Binance Coin or BNB to pay your trading fees. One of the simplest ways to reduce your Binance Futures transaction fees is by opting to pay with BNB. The process to set this is straightforward. Head over to the Binance app and begin by tapping the menu, which you can find by identifying the three horizontal lines. From there, navigate to Settings, represented by the gear icon at the top right corner. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the option that reads Using BNB and ensure that you enable Use BNB to pay fees. By doing this, you can enjoy a significant discount on your trading fees, making each transaction more cost effective. Using BNB can translate into noticeable savings over time, especially if you're an active trader. Next, consider referring friends to Binance using your unique referral code. For every friend who signs up and starts trading using your code, you'll likely receive kickback discounts as a reward. This is an excellent opportunity not only to engage with your community, but also to benefit from the trading activity of others. Sharing your referral code can become a compelling way to consistently cut down the fee costs you experience. It's a win-win situation where your network expands and you earn reductions on your fees. Finally, the type of order you use also impacts the fees you incur. Instead of market orders, opt to use limit orders whenever possible. This strategy helps in reducing taker fees, which are generally higher than maker fees. Limit orders allow you to set the price at which you want to buy or sell an asset, giving you control over your trade execution. When your order is added to the order book and then executed by a market taker, you're deemed a maker, and thus you benefit from lower fees. By consistently using limit orders, you can minimize unnecessary expenses, keep more of your earnings, and experience more predictable trading outcomes. So there you have it, a quick guide on how to reduce Binance Futures fees. By using BNB to pay fees, referring friends for discounts, and opting for limit orders, you can effectively manage and diminish the costs associated with your trades. Implement these strategies and you'll soon notice the difference they make in your trading account. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.